What's up guys, this is Masi. Welcome to my channel. In this video I want to show you how to find the molar mass or molecular weight of aluminum nitrate. So in order to find molar mass or molecular weight, we need to find out the atomic mass of all elements here, which means that aluminum, nitrogen and oxygen. So if you go and use periodic table, aluminum is 26.982, nitrogen is 14.007, oxygen is 15.999. So aluminum, we have one of them, so 26.982 plus n times 3, so we have 3 nitrogens, as you see here, 3 of nitrogen atoms, plus 3 times 3, 9 atoms of oxygen. So we have 1 atom of aluminum, 3 atoms of nitrogen, and 3 times 3 of oxygen. So if I want to calculate it, 26.982 plus 3 times 14.07 plus 9 times 15.999, it will be 212.994 grams per mole. So that's the molar mass or molecular weight of aluminum nitrate. I hope you like this video. Please leave me a comment if you have any question, and I'll get back to you as soon as I can.